My name is Shaun. I'm the General Manager here at Performance Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. My role is being the GM and also to support Jacob in all of his sales.
I'm Jacob Ledwez. I'm our Sprinter team lead and our Sprinter new and pre-owned sales consultant. I've been with Mercedes-Benz for 3 years. I have the privilege to lead a dynamic team of individuals to give you the best product, service, and experience over the ownership of your Sprinter.
Performance Mercedes-Benz is very active in our community. We support initiatives like United Way, as well as a local-based program called Adopt a Family, where we support families that are in need for Christmas presents. So here at Performance Mercedes-Benz, we do service a lot of vehicles, including our vans, but also above and beyond. We have the Demers contract here to support our EMS, ambulances, as well as support vehicles, as well as we do a lot of servicing on our local FedEx hub.
Receiving the Mercedes-Benz Canada Dealer Spotlight is a very rewarding feeling for our dealership. After successfully growing our vans department over the last year, we strive to continue the growth to help serve you.
So here at Mercedes-Benz, we're excited that we received this award, but also looking in the future, we want to continue to provide an excellent service for our customers and also continue to grow the business here in Niagara.
If I could send a message to our current and prospective clients, it's that you won't be disappointed when working with Mercedes-Benz. We have your best interest in mind and look forward to assisting you. Our product continues to evolve to be the most premium van on the market. From our staff to our clients to Mercedes Canada, we look forward to growing together.
So I just want to thank again Mercedes-Benz Canada for giving us this opportunity, but I also want to invite our customers and local business to come on down, check us out, and see what we have to offer in our Sprinter van service.